Imagine knowing your harvest months before you plant a single seed.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the way farmers grow crops. Traditional farming often depends on experience and unpredictable weather. Even small climate changes can reduce crop yield. But today, data-driven technology is changing agriculture. Smart sensors collect real-time data directly from the soil. Satellites continuously monitor farms from space.
All this information is processed by artificial intelligence systems.
AI analyzes weather patterns and historical crop data. Machine learning models detect patterns beyond human capability. These models simulate crop growth across different conditions. Farmers receive accurate yield predictions months before harvest. Crops are monitored throughout every stage of growth. Precision farming improves crop health and consistency. Automated irrigation systems optimize water usage. This reduces cost while increasing productivity. Autonomous machines are already transforming modern agriculture. Drones provide continuous aerial monitoring of crops.
The future of farming is intelligent and connected. Subscribe to explore more innovations in AI-powered agriculture.